to sell digital pet care guides on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the Shop Manager button in your top right. Then you proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and here in setting up the shop, you will need to go through 6 steps in order to set up your Etsy shop. So here we have the shop preferences, then name your shop, stock your shop, choosing how you'll get paid, then setting up billing, and last but not least, setting up the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And it's where you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency only to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So don't sweat it, guys. You can just draft a name now and change it later. We find sellers often draw inspiration from what they sell. Their style, pretty much anything goes. You can also find more naming tips using this link. So here I'm just going to use my niche's name as my shop's name. Then I will remove the spaces, and it's already between 4 and 20 characters, and it's available as well. So let's just click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop, or in other words, adding some photos and details about your item. So here in this step, first of all, before filling any details or photos, click on save and continue to see all of the required fields in order to proceed to the next step. So here, in order to proceed to the next step, we will need to fill the photos. As you can see in here, please upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. Here you will need at least to type a price for the product. Then for the listing details, you will need to fill all of these fields: title, about the listing, category, and description. Then you have the shipping. So here you will need to fill all of these red fields, as you can see in here. So let's start from the first one, which is the photos. So here for photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So here, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. And for the videos, it's not like photos. The video is not required. It's optional if you have one that's better. If not, there is no problem. You can continue filling the other details. So then we have the listing details. You can write or type the title for your product. Then you choose who made it. You have 3 options: I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. And also you have when did you make it. You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category of the product. So here you just type some keywords and you choose the category that goes with your product. Then here you have some other additional details to fill, starting with the primary color of the product, then the secondary color if you have any, the width, and you choose a unit for that width, the height, choose a unit as well, the orientation, if it's horizontal or vertical, framing, and also occasion. You can choose an occasion in here. The holiday, you can choose a holiday in here as well. Let's go with Eid. Then we have the room, if you are selling house or something like that. Then we have the subject. You can select up to 3 subjects in here. Then we have the renewal options if you want an automatic renewal or a manual renewal. So the difference between these two is that the automatic costs 20 cents each time and the manual is free. So let's choose the manual. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital file or a digital product. Then for the description, in order to write a good description for your product, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners. If you want to add any, you can fill its details in here. Then you have 3 other additional settings to fill: the section, tags, materials, and they are all optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing, so make sure to choose a good price for the product. Then you have the quantity, make sure to type as much as you have in that product in here. Then we have the digital files, and it's where you upload your file. So here click on upload file and upload the product that you want to sell. And here, as you can read, please upload at least 1 file, or you can add up to 5 more files. Then for the returns and exchanges, in digital products there are none, as you can see in here. And that's it. When you're done with filling all of these fields, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.